Been looking at the NQ all morning. It was really thinking this was going to be a sideways day. If you can look at it, scrunch your screen up, you can really see that we're stuck in consolidation here. However, if you're looking at your screen like this, it's kind of hard to see it, right? So that's why I normally start my day out looking at my screen like this. Just a little tip. But we had this breakout. Let me remove this for a second. You can see all this resistance up here, okay? And we needed to, in my opinion anyway, we needed to break out of this point here, which we have. So now we're just sitting and waiting to see if we get a signal.
NQ trade alert.
Order
NQ,
filled.
by signal 1.
Okay, nice, we got filled. Go ahead and mark this trade up.
Target filled.
Nice, okay. So we got our first target. Just need some more follow through. Nice, nice. So 1750 was 58 ticks.
NQ trade alert. NQ, by signal 2.
Wow, that's about as close as you can cut it. Now, just observations here. Now we've got ourselves a double top, right?
NQ trade alert. NQ, by signal 3.
Yeah, I'm going to trail this up a little bit because if we don't break through this, this has now become a significant area, right? Anytime we have two lines match up, even within a couple ticks of each other, and they can't, and we can't get through that, it's a significant area. Even if we get through that, it's a significant area. So, seem to be having a little bit of trouble here.
Stop filled.
Okay, 17.
NQ trade alert.
Okay, so 26 plus 58 plus 17.
NQ
Nice,
trade alert.
101 ticks. Nice trade. Times $5 a
NQ,
tick.
buy signal 2.
Times $5 a tick is 505. Nice. Okay, so let's review a couple things here. I apologize, I'm still dealing with a cold here. Scrunch our screen up, right? And what do you see when you scrunch the screen up? If you're just logging in and you see my screen look like this, and you see a yellow entry on the screen, and Dave just took it, that's not what happened here. Okay. Let's go back to the beginning of the setup. Okay. I identified our support area, right? Okay. You can see all these support lines down here lining up. All right. So what did we do? We put a box around them. Okay. And then step 2. We had all this resistance area up here that we needed to break through. So identify your resistance area. Okay. Where did we break through at? Step 3, identify. Okay, we broke through right here. Alright, now I can open up my screen. Alright, so we broke through here. Step 4, did I like the retracement? Look at this retracement, it was beautiful. Straight down, no hesitation. Okay, if, for example, what do I mean by that? Well, what if we came down to here, we came all the way back up, put in a double top, and then came down all the way to this point and got a yellow signal?
NQ trade alert.
I probably would have passed. Okay? Because, you know, now we had hesitation. It makes it a little messy.
NQ trade alert.
So we had this beautiful straight down retracement, and I couldn't have asked for anything better by getting a yellow entry. Typically I'm looking for
NQ trade alert.
the first entry after the breakout. Okay, so if we got a red entry, I would have taken it. If we got a blue entry, I would have taken it. We got a yellow entry. We got our first one off, we got our second one off, and we trailed our third, and we got stopped out over here. Okay, so it's the same steps every morning, guys. It's the same steps. Don't cheat yourself. Okay, don't be trigger happy.
NQ trade alert.
This is all a mess in here. Okay, I don't want to have anything to do with this. I don't care that they're yellow signals. I mean, you got some going up, you got this one going down. That tells you you're in consolidation. You got to get good at identifying consolidation. We want to trade outside of consolidation.
NQ trade alert.
Okay, so I hope that helps. Trying to give you good explanations and good demonstrations of the software. If you have any questions, please send me an email. I'm always happy to help.
NQ trade alert.
We can always do a free screen share if you want to look at some of your charts or some live charts, whatever you want to talk about. Okay?
NQ trade alert.
Have a great day.
Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe to our channel. And don't forget to leave us a comment down below. And while you're at it, follow us on Instagram at Renko.Kings.